Reason number 3 is mistakes, error are not magnified. So because you have started small, so let's see, for somebody who wants to self-publish. So you wrote a book, you don't know if people are going to buy it, but now you're wondering, okay, should I go for a publisher? Should I self-publish? So if that's the case, how many books should I print? Should I order on Amazon or things like that? How am I going to be known? Because if nobody knows your book exists, who's gonna buy it? And so when you do that, for example, if you decided to buy 10,000 books, but nobody knows about the book, and so you put it out there, nobody buys it, and you have spent, I don't know, $20,000. Even that's a lot. But you see, if you do that, you're gonna spend $20,000. Nobody buys your book, so somehow you're losing $20,000, unless over time you do you have a good marketing strategy, and over time people come to you and they can then buy the $20,000 worth of books. But you see that even if we talk about even 100 books and it costs you $2,000, but because you do it on a small scale, if nobody buys your 100 books, you will have paid $2,000. I'm just making up a number. I don't think that's the value, but if that's the case, you would have lost 2,000 or maybe 200. But you see, it's not fatal. It's not like, oh, you're gonna lose your house, or you're gonna lose your car, or you're gonna end up on the streets. Why? Because you have taken calculated risks and you have paid attention. You knew that, okay, what I'm doing right now, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I can stomach the loss if it doesn't work. And so that's what I mean. But if you go, for example, still the same with the books, and you do the 10,000 books or 100,000 books, and you're sure that people are going to buy it, and now you owe $2 million and nobody buys your book, you are in trouble. So 200 or 2,000 versus 2 million. The choice is made very fast. And so when you get here with the 200, now you know, okay, I put out there 100 books, people bought it. Now I can reinvest in more books, more people buy it, and then you reinvest, and so on and so forth. And so you go at the speed of cash, and your risks are very limited because you're not going all in and investing all your money or even going into debt for that.